Welcome everyone to another video. I'm SHADAT from SHADAT'S. Today video about is Realme XT and Pocophone F1 camera comparison. Realme XT quad camera phone. First one 64 megapixel 1.8 aperture wide, second 8 megapixel 2.3 aperture 13 mm ultra wide, third 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture dedicated micro camera with 2.4 aperture, and fourth 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. On the other hand, Pocophone F1 also dual camera. First one 12 megapixel 1.9 aperture and second 5 megapixel depth sensor. Pocophone F1 you can record highest 4K 60 fps video, but Realme XT you can record 4K 30 fps video. So I can record 4K 30 fps video both camera.